Hi everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to post photos on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Facebook newsfeed, and this is where you can share your photos. To post a photo, tap on the What's on Your Mind field at the top of your newsfeed, and this is where you create your posts. Next, tap on the Photo/Video option. This will allow you to select the photo or video from your device. Now, select the photo that you want to post. You can browse your device's photo library and choose the one you like, and then click Done. Before posting, you can select who can see your photo. You can choose public, friends, specific friends, etc. You may also want to put a caption for your photo. And once you're done, tap the post button to share your photo with your selected audience. And that's it. You've successfully posted a photo on Facebook, and your family and friends can now like, comment, and share your special